Just look at this beauty. Fully articulated Messi moves like a champ on the field. Let's go. First step, carefully remove all the supports. Bye-bye supports, Messi's on his way. All right, let's glue the joints onto the arms and the torso, just like I'm showing you here. It's really coming together. Now we snap in the sky blue stripes, then add the numbers and Messi's name. The jersey is coming to life. If you want it extra secure, you can add a bit of super glue. Just be careful. Messi doesn't want to get stuck to the table. Now we snap the legs into the T-shaped connector, just like I'm showing here. Ready to run like it's the World Cup. Now we connect the torso with the leg section we just built. It's an easy snap fit. Just like in the video, no VAR needed. Time to put the head in place. With a little pressure, it fits perfectly. Messi's ready for his close-up. Time to add the arms. And just like that, the assembly is done. Now all that's left is the paint to make Messi shine. Time to bring this legend to life with color. First up, the white parts, shirt sleeves and socks. Nice and clean, just like in the final. And don't forget the whites of the eyes. Messi's got to see where the ball's going. Now it's time for black. Let's paint the shorts, the boots, and the pupils too. Messi's got his eyes on the game. Time for the style. Let's paint the hair and the beard. I use brown, but you can go with your favorite Messi look. To keep the paint looking fresh, let's give it a coat of varnish. Shiny, sealed, and ready to lift the trophy. And here he is, fully articulated Messi, arms, legs, head, and waist all move. Ready to hit the field or join your collection. That's a wrap. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more 3D designs. See you next time, and long live football!